Hey everyone, welcome to today's episode. I just want to show you guys I finally got the GoPro Volta, and I just do briefly explain what this is. Basically, it's like 3-in-1, a setup, it's battery grip, tripod, and remote. Let's do the unboxing and see what's inside. Let's go. So we got the Volta right here with the tripod, USB pass-through door right here, thumb screws, USB Type-C cable, finally lanyard in case you don't want to be slippery slip. So I'm going to show you briefly with the interface. So here we got the Bluetooth button, we got the power grip itself. If you press once, you're going to see it's actually 3 bars at the moment, so that is awesome. Recording button and a mode power button. Favorite feature they have is a flip out mounting finger. You press a button, it comes out like that, and when you're done, just push it back once again, press, put it back, because if you try to press it like that, it doesn't push it back. So on the side here, if you flip it open, here's how you charge the grip itself. Now tripod, you flip it open like this, and then check out this massive battery that they built in. Oh, of course, at the bottom we got the 1/4 mounts, so it's great for accessories, and if you want to have an even more extended tripod, then go for it. Alright, so right now I actually got a GoPro Hero 9 that's set it up with the pass-through door and also with the media mod. Let's go. So you can see right here, after you plug in the Volta cable through the pass-through door, and now it's updating Volta to 5857, so just let it blink until it's finished updating. Okay, right here now it says Bluetooth setup, pair Volta with your camera to use as a wireless remote or with media mod, which is right here. So let's press next. Setting up, pairing. Oh, that was quick. Wow. Volta can now be used as wireless remote and with media mod. So you can see right here, it's actually with wire, so I just tested out different mode. That's awesome. See, you can switch to different mode, and then if you want to take a picture, just press the shutter button here, counter, and 1. Okay, so that's with wired. Now we're actually going to do wireless, so you can see it's complete unplug and same function. See, just press it and the switching mode, just like that. Alright, next up, let's see how it performs with the media mod. So after you set up the media mod, you can see just plug the Type-C just behind here. You can see on the top right, it is now charging with a little battery blip. And same thing, because media mod restriction is actually through wireless only, there's no wired function available. But same thing, you know what? Just like that, press the button, you're able to switch mode. There's 2 tests I always wanted to try. Let's try the GoPro Hero 9 without battery, see if it still functions, and also media mod without battery to see if it functions. And see, we're taking out the battery, it's only Type-C wire to itself. Let's try the Volta if it works without the battery. Oh, it works, even though I don't know if it's the same for everyone. It does take more than a few seconds to turn it on. But yes, apparently you can just use without battery too, so I think it's great for time-lapse or very long footage. Next up, we're going to test it with the media mod without battery. So this is the media mod with Hero 9, no battery test. As usual, take out the battery, connect it to the Type-C. Now let's turn it on to see if it works. Because the mod itself doesn't use the wire connection, it's only for charging. And you can see the blue lights, it means connecting via Bluetooth. You can see right here it says no battery. So you can see right now it shows up to white LED instead of blue, is because it was connecting. Now it's good to go. So you can see it works without battery as well. You don't have to worry about overheating no more. So that's it for now. This has been the GoPro Volta various tests and also unboxing for the media mod, the remote function, and without the battery and without the media mod test to see if it's turned on and off. Apparently huge success. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video, would be really appreciated. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.